Alright guys, this is the new Huawei Nova 15 Max. This smartphone comes with a large display, a massive 8500 mAh battery, and a clean, premium design that looks modern and stylish. Huawei also packs this phone with a 120Hz OLED display, stereo speakers, and a 50-megapixel main camera for everyday photography and entertainment. Starting from the design, the Huawei Nova 15 Max looks slim and elegant even though it packs a huge battery inside. The phone has a glass front with a clean camera module design on the back. It weighs around 232 grams and comes in several colors, including blush gold, lake cyan, and golden black. On the front, Huawei Nova 15 Max features a large 6.84-inch OLED display with a sharp 1272 by 2756 resolution. The screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and animations feel smoother. Huawei also includes up to 4000 nits peak brightness, making the display easier to see outdoors. For the camera setup, Huawei Nova 15 Max comes with a 50-megapixel main camera featuring dual-pixel PDAF for faster focusing. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS and also comes with gyro IES stabilization for smoother videos. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera that also supports 4K recording. Huawei Nova 15 Max runs on EMUI 14.2 with a clean and simple interface for daily use. This phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage, which should be enough for multitasking, apps, photos, and videos. For multimedia, Huawei includes stereo speakers for a better audio experience while watching videos or gaming. The phone also supports NFC, infrared sensor, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and USB Type-C with OTG support. So that was a quick look at the Huawei Nova 15 Max. With its large OLED display, huge battery, stereo speakers, and 50-megapixel camera, this phone looks ready for entertainment and everyday use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.